Okay, so for unit 6, lesson 7, they give you all this stuff. There we go. Let's autofocus. They give you all this stuff. They import simple GI and they say, here's all these things. We're going to make 5 faces, quote unquote. And then they do the define all false, so the global faces. And for face 1 equals false, so forth and so on. Anyhow, they give you all this information. They give you all this stuff. And then they give you all this stuff, toggling the define toggle face 3. And if you touch what happens, and face 3 not equal to face 3, and face 4. And then define draw canvas if face 1. And then here's what face 1, whoops, that's not face 1. Here's face 1. This is what face 1 is going to look like. Okay, if you want to use their ideas. Okay, and for this one, for face 1, it's going to be a smile face. Let me check and make sure. Where it is, there it is. Sorry. Yep, it's the happy face. So they want you to create a happy face. And this is one way of doing it with my radius at 300 by 300 on the 6 by 600 screen. We do a width divided by 2, height divided by 2. This is my circle. Coordinates of my center, excuse me, at the center of it because it's 600 by 600. So 300 by 300 is my center. And then width, sorry, my mind's gone blank here for a second. My radius of my circle, my thickness of my line, it's yellow line filled yellow. And then it's going to draw another circle that's going to be at width 2, 300, but it's going to be a height of this. Okay, and there's my radius, which is 300 divided by 2, which backs it up 10 and black. And these are going to be, this is my eye, this is my eye, oh, excuse me, this is a line drawn across. So we make our smiling face here with those values. I'm going to let you look at it for a minute to soak it in. Notice on each of them it takes the width and the height, which is 600 again. It was defined, excuse me, up here at the very beginning. Width was 600, height was 600. It's already been defined for you. So you're going to take those, divide them by 2. That's going to make my center of the various circles that we're drawing. This is 300 plus 100, which puts it at 400. Then the height of it is 150 minus 50. So the real coordinates of this are 450, 400 and 100, sorry. Anyhow, so that's what each of those looks. And there's my radius, there's my line thickness, and then black and black there for my various parts of my smiling face. Okay, so that's the one we draw, the one we create. And then my sad face, they've made the angry face. No. Yeah. And then we're supposed to make one down here at the bottom, which is emoticon, which is the 5th one. Okay, so we have face 5. And you can look at their other examples. This was 4 with that scowling face. So here's face 5. Okay, so you're going to draw the circle, 300 by 300. Okay, then they're going to create a polygon using these coordinates. It's going to be black with red in it. And this is just an idea. This is just a sample. You can do what you want to. And then we're going to have draw a circle of 200 and 250 with a radius of 35, a thickness, a line of 5 of black and black, black line filled black. Then draw another circle. 400, 250 is my radius, 35 is my thickness, and radius, thickness, this is the center of my circle, black in black. Then another circle at 185, 350. This thickness is only 20. This is 5, blue and blue. And then we're going to create a big polygon of the blue and blue. Okay. And then we're going to frame. We call this pictures. This is going to be my name, frame's name. And then they give you these. Now, you need to change this name. It has emoticon written right there, but that needs to change. You call it, you know, me or mine or whatever you want to call it, but you need to change that. And that's how you're going to toggle the face. And again, remember, you got to have that frame start at the end, and it's there. You just need to make sure you don't accidentally delete it or anything. But if it doesn't work and it keeps telling you something's wrong, that right there is the reason why, because you hadn't changed that phrase right there to something different besides emoticon. Okay, I hope that helps. I hope there's a little help with that. Hope you have a great rest of the day.